Kerberos Sprint Course. We come every year, but this year I'm in my Fiat Coupe. This is a 20 valve turbo, which means under the bonnet is a 2 litre 5-cylinder petrol engine, which is turbocharged and has 217 horsepower, which makes this, to the day, the most powerful and fastest production Fiat ever made. Being a Fiat and based on the Tipo platform, this is front wheel drive, but the turbo models came with a limited slip differential, which on a track like Kerberos, which is quite tight and twisty, probably quite slow as well, should prove very effective, and we're going to see if that's the case today. So I'm really looking forward to going out track, so yeah, let's see how it is. I've already been around quite a bit this morning. I'm really impressed with the Coupe. It's a really nice car to drive. There's no traction control, there's no buttons or modes, so we're just going to go into first and head off. I'll do a standing start. I'm a little worried about my clutch. Probably needs replacing this year. And let's go, see what it's like. So there's quite a bit of lag, and then the turbo comes in about 4,000 RPM. The great thing about being on track is that you stay high up in the rev, so you stay on the boost. Right, so the brakes are powerful, but they do fade a bit. Standard road brake pads, it's pretty usual thing to find on a track. But the steering is just lovely. It's sort of hydraulically power assisted. It's just so consistent. And the limit slip differential, I think you can feel it working because there's no scrabbling at all on the inside wheel, and this is quite a tight course. And I've been in other cars today, front wheel drive cars, and you can really feel them scrabbling around. Oh, that noise is great. You can really hear when you come off the throttle, the wastegate dump valve. So I'm quite late, but yeah, it handles really well. There's a bit of roll, but it's not too bad, but it grips really, really hard. It's quite a sunny day, the track's really dry, which is pretty good. And then across the line, touching 80. Oh, that's exciting. So yeah, it's sort of a bit like driving sort of an old hot hatch in a way. It's front wheel drive, it's quite safe and secure, although you can feel back end sort of move around you a bit if you are driving quite enthusiastically. But just a really, really nice car to drive. And on the road, the turbo makes it feel quite peaky, because obviously when you're accelerating onto a motorway or something, you go up to a speed and then you sort of stay steady state. So when you want to accelerate again, you've got to build up the boost. But on track, you're sort of staying high up in the rev, so the car just feels so much more responsive, and you can really make the most of that performance. And it feels genuinely quick for a car from the 90s. It's really quite impressive. Right, I'm going to go around again. So straight out.